This year I decided for the very first time to attend a vision board workshop, because I've always wondered how vision boards do they really work? Because every year it's become like some sort of tradition, an aesthetically pleasing tradition that I see people do on the internet, where they create vision boards at the start of the year, and in the mid-year and towards the end of the year you do not really hear anyone talk about it. So from my perspective, from where I'm sitting and observing a lot of things, it seems like people just make this to fulfill some kind of tradition at the start of the year and then forget about it. But I really want to do a vision board. I set quarterly goals, so this year I decided that I would go and attend a vision board workshop just to see how everything is and see if this is something that I really want to be doing going forward. Hello everyone, my name is Delphine Konda. Welcome to my channel. If you are joining me for the first time, this is my channel, and in this channel I try to share tips on opportunities, on non-profit work. Because I'm a social impact founder, I also share a lot on scholarships and study abroad, because I really believe that opportunities are the fastest way of development for people. So when I see opportunities or the ones that I've participated in, I just share. Today, let's talk about vision board. I do not know what you think, but I have never done one. I always set quarterly goals every quarter and just see if I can meet up to it, because the idea of setting a goal for 1 year, it's a little too much for me. So this year I decided that let's go for a vision board. The first thing I did was look around on the internet to see which ones are around me that are happening during this period that I can participate. And then secondly, I kind of compare based on how these programs were advertised. Then I saw one in Brussels, which is not too far from where I live. So I registered for it. I paid 50 euros thereabout in total, and I attended the workshop. Eye-opening, because the facilitator started by taking us through a session where we were looking deep into who we are as people, what events have shaped who we have become at the time that we were attending that workshop. And we did other activities which help us to kind of look deep into who we want to become in the next 12 months to be able to achieve the goals that we set for ourselves. So what worked that I really liked was the fact that we didn't just dive into cutting out pictures and aesthetically pleasing things that we want to achieve for that year, but we first of all dived deep. We looked like kind of a self-reflection, and after that self-reflection we understood to an extent our strengths and weaknesses. We searched deeper to see who we need to become to achieve the things that we want to achieve, and then we now set the goals and the vision that we had for the year. So that was it. Let me know in the comment section if you are interested in setting your own vision board. We are still in January. I can share with you what was taught and guide you through your own process if you want to. I always leave my email address underneath my videos so that you can send me an email, or you can reach out to me on Instagram here, on TikTok here, or you just leave something in the comment section. So thank you very much for watching until the very end, and you can feel free to share in the comment section the kind of topics that you would love for me to do. Until we meet again guys, please do not forget to create some impact.